Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to add a new hard disk to a virtual machine. You will open the virtual box and you will highlight the virtual machine. Here, because I have only one virtual machine, so it's automatically highlighted. And then after you highlight whatever virtual machine you want to choose, you will click here on settings, and then from here you will click on storage, and then click here on controller SATA, and then from this button here you can see add hard disk. You will click on it, and then here you will click on create new disk. First you will choose the name of the hard disk. For example, I will make it HD1, and from here you will choose the size of your hard disk. For example, I'll make it 15 gigabytes, and then you will leave this on VDI and leave the storage of physical hard drive on dynamically allocated, and then you will click on create. As you see here, it has added the new hard disk, which is HD1, the one that we have just added, and you click on OK to finish. Now you can see here the hard disk is added successfully, and by this lesson we have learned how to add a new hard disk to a virtual machine. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.